Hello everyone, this is Abhijit. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to cover my ownership review about Harley Davidson X440 after riding it for 2000 km and in 3 months duration. So before we start with the detailed review, I would like to request all of you to please subscribe to my channel if you have not yet done. I am close to 342 subscribers right now, and my target is to reach 1000 subscribers as soon as possible. So please help in subscribing and watch the video till end. And if you have any questions after that, feel free to add a comment to the video and I shall revert back immediately. Talking about overall performance, whenever I ride the bike or whatever I rode till now 2000 plus kilometers, I haven't faced any issue or any challenge as such where the bike has kind of broke down or बाइक कहीं पे रुक गई है या स्टार्ट नहीं हो रही है. Nothing of that sort. मैंने कुछ भी ऐसा फेस नहीं किया है, तो आई एम क्वाइट हैप्पी विद द बाइक्स परफॉर्मेंस सो फार. टॉकिंग अबाउट बाइक्स माइलेज, द मोस्ट कॉमन क्वेश्चन फॉर एनी व्हीकल, कितना देती है. आई एम गेटिंग अराउंड क्लोज टू 30 किलोमीटर्स पर लीटर and I am using Shell normal petrol always. So 30 kilometers for that is that seems okay to me. Talking about the braking of the bike, the brakes do respond immediately after the servicing or the first servicing which was done at 700 kilometer. After riding 1300 kilometer from the first servicing, I haven't noticed any changes in the brake, and they work similar to how they used to work after the servicing. So there is no degradation or slowness I observed in the braking. Talking about suspension, I saw some people raised a concern about the front suspension being hard when you hit the speed breaker. So that might be because you are not reducing your speed while you are closer to the speed breaker. So I haven't faced that issue as such, because whenever I am approaching a speed breaker, I always reduce the speed. So suspension as well, I haven't faced any issue even after riding 1300 km after the first servicing. Talking about driving in city traffic, I haven't faced any challenge as such. Easily bike निकल जाती है, even if there is a small patch available in cars, you can quickly maneuver. कोई ऐसे challenge नहीं है. About the throttle, whenever you are going at a particular speed on highway and you want to overtake a vehicle, you give a sudden throttle, the bike does respond immediately and you will be able to quickly overtake the bike. So in that way I am quite happy with the bike, the way it responds to the throttle that you give. Talking about the most talked point about this particular bike, that is the sound. I just love the sound of the bike when I started. So the more you ride this bike, the more you will start loving the sound, and sound quality has never gone down even after 2000 kilometers. So I feel the sound will continue, which comes right now, even when you drive thousands of kilometers. So no issues on the sound. I really like the sound of the bike. Talking about gear shifting of the bike is also smooth. Even after doing the first servicing, it has become smoother, and that is also same. So one thing I have noticed about the bike compared to other bikes is I had a Unicorn earlier. Whenever I used to do servicing, let's say for a couple of weeks, everything will run smooth, and after that it will be kind of normal, or it will come back to the original position. But about this particular bike or Harley's experience so far, even after servicing, it's been kind of couple of months, the quality of the servicing which was there, or the quality of the bike, or the braking, or the gear shifting which was there, that has continued, and even now also it continues to be same. It has not degraded. Talking about the stability of the bike, whenever I ride the bike on highways and go in 3-digit speed, so I haven't faced any shaking or anything of that sort with the bike. So the bike is quite stable whenever you ride at higher speeds, doesn't shake around. So that way I am happy. Even in city, when you drive, let's say 60 km per hour or 70 km per hour, the bike is stable and gives you good hold on the road. So to summarize the overall performance about bike, so I am quite happy with the decision that I've taken to purchase this bike. So I would like to recommend those who are still in the dilemma or still planning to purchase this bike and run the test ride. So please go ahead with that. This is worth every penny that you spend, and you will not get this product more often. So go ahead with the bike. Happy riding and drive safe.